Hello friends, I have bring a new video for you all guys. In this video, I am going to teach you all about tenses. As we know, there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Each of these tenses can be further divided into simple tense, continuous tense and perfect tense. In the previous video, I have taught you all about simple tense and continuous tense. In this video, I am going to teach you about perfect tense. So please watch this video till end. Present perfect tense. This tense is used to indicate a link between the present and the past. Means an action in the past has a result in the present or an effect in the present. Let's look at some example. Here I have given different example of two different tenses, one of simple past tense and one of present perfect tense. The past simple is a different from from this present perfect tense. In the past simple, I could say I lost my book. Right? So here the past tense verb is lost. Similarly, I could say in present perfect tense, I have lost my book. Here have lost is a present perfect tense. Here in these both the sentences there is a vast difference. I lost my book means maybe I lost my book on Monday but then I found it on Tuesday, means it is true in past. In present perfect, I have lost my book means what happened in the past is still true now, means in present, and my book is still lost. To frame the sentences of present perfect tense, we should use has and have plus past participle form. Past perfect tense. This tense is used to indicate an action that was already completed at some time in the past. Means this tense refers to a time earlier than before. It is used to make it clear that one event happened before in the past. It does not matter which event is mentioned first. The tense makes it clear which one happened first. Let's look at some examples. Here also I have given two different examples of two different tense, one of simple past tense and one of past perfect tense. In simple past tense, first example, the meeting started at 9. Second example, we arrived at 10. When we when we connect these both the sentences, so we get the past perfect tense sentences. It would be like this: when we arrived, the meeting had started. Here had started is a past perfect tense. It means this tense allows us to show or talk about two or more things that happened in the past, and we want to show which of these things happened first in the past. Here the meeting had started would be happened first. When we have to show what happened first, we use the past perfect tense. To frame the past perfect tense sentences, we should use had. We should use had plus past participle form. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is a verb tense used for an action that will be completed before some other point in future. Let's look at some examples. First example, I shall had completed my project tomorrow. Here it is talking in this sentence, it is talking about future in the present of completing project tomorrow. In simple word we can say that the boy is predicting him that he will complete his project tomorrow. In second example, he will have woken up by the time we go home. Here also the boy mother is mother or a father is predicting that he is woken up by the time they reach home, or he will be sleeping by the time they reach the home. To frame the future, it means an action that will be completed before a specific time in the future, or before an other action in the future is known as future perfect tense. To frame the future perfect tense sentences, we should use will and shall plus have plus past participle form. I hope you all have understood all about perfect tense. Thank you for watching my video. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel and also drop a like for all my videos.